हॅलो स्टुडंट, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. मी गायत्री सदापळ पुन्हा एकदा तुमचं स्वागत करते महाराष्ट्र मीडिया यूट्यूब चॅनलवर. तुम्ही अजूनही चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलेलं नसेल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि साईडला दिलेल्या बेल आयकनला प्रेस करा. ओके, सो स्टार्टिंग विथ द महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 10 part 2 that is chapter 9 social health. See the question number first, filling the blanks with the appropriate word. A. Laughter club is the remedy to derive away the stress. Okay. B. Alcohol consumption mainly affect the digestive system, that is the nervous system. C. IT Act 2000 is to control the that is the cyber crimes. Question number 2. Answer the following: which factors affect the social health? In that first point, in order to maintain the social health of any community, there should be a good amenities for the people. Example: food, water, shelter, clothing, medicines and medical help. Equal opportunities for education, cleanliness and surrounding. Transport facilities should be properly provided. Okay. Second part, the social and political conditions of the surrounding should be such that there should not be any connections with the world of criminals. The presence of such criminal ties can affect the social health to the great extent. Third point, the gardens, playgrounds, the empty plots for the outdoor games, sports clubs, etc. are important criteria for overall development of the society. This resulting into the personality development and make people happy and strong. Fourth, addictions, criminal tendencies, prevent the behavior and the preserve the thinking affect other people in the society, and this reflect the negatively on the social health. Fifth point, having a large number of the friends and relatives, proper use of the time when alone and when along the peer group, trust in others, respect and acceptance for the other build stronger social health. B point, which changes occurs in the persons continuously using the internet and mobile phones. When a person continuously remains in contact with the mobile phones, many physical problems can arise: tiredness, headache, insomnia, forgetfulness, tinnitus, okay, joint pains and problems in the vision occur due to the radiation emanating from the cell phones. For young children, this is one more disastrous, as these radiations can penetrate through their bones. By logging into the internet for a long time, persons become solitary, and such individuals are unable to establish the harmonious relations with the relatives and the other people around. They tend to become self-centered and selfish. They lose sensitivity towards the other. Such people never take any social responsibility and social health thus disrupted. C. Which problems does the common man face due to the incidences of the cybercrime? Answer: the number of the Aadhaar card, PAN card, credit card, debit card are the obtained by the cheaters. This is a cybercrime. The PIN number can be misused and money can be withdrawn from the bank accounts. The looters withdraw cash from our account in this way. Phone can be cheated during online shopping. Fake account on the Facebook is open and false information is displayed on it. Through such accounts, the girls are emotionally and financially exploited. Electronic media are the misused for the sending derogatory and the vulgar messages, obscene picked phrase and the provocative statements. Through the internet, hackers can send viruses to crash someone's computer or even mobile phones. In all such different ways, common people can victimized by the cybercrime. Question number D. Explain the importance of the good communication with others. Nowadays, there is a fierce competition and insecurity and the criminal tendencies in the society. This kind of the atmosphere is increasing mental and the emotional stress. If the stress remain buried in the mind, persons are depressed or the frustrated. This causes a mental disorders if not treated in time. Depression can lead to the addiction, the suicidal thoughts over in the mind. If at the face we can open our heart by good communication, many problems can be solved. Help from the counselors can be taken to relieve the stress by good communication with the parent or family members. harmonious relations can be re-established. See the question number 3. Answer the following crossword. In that, continuous consumption of alcoholic and tobacco materials, that is addiction. The app may cause any cyber crimes like Facebook. A remedy to resolve stress, singing. Requirement for stress-free life, eat good food. Various factors affect the social health. 6. Art of preparing food items are cookies. Question number 4. What are the various ways to minimize the mental stress? Answer. The ways to stress busting are as follows. Laughter club. First point, laughter club. People gather together and laugh collectively to reduce stress. Second point, good communication. One should establish good communication with friends, siblings, cousins, teachers, parents, and anybody in whom we can confide and express our own feelings. Okay. Third, writing. By writing and noting the thoughts, we feel a relief. We can confess and analyze about our mistakes through writing to reduce our stress. Fourth, hobbies. Collecting the curious photography, regarding reading good literature, music, cooking, gardening, bird watching, keep a pet, sculpturing, drawing, rangoli, dancing, etc. are such hobbies which are necessary for the utilizing our spare time by creativity. Preceding a hobby is the best way to be stress free. Music in a particular is said to be change the negative thoughts. Therefore, listening to music, learning the music and singing helps to the fight stress. By admiring nature too, stress is relieved. Fifth point, outdoor games and physical exercise. By participating in the sports, there are various benefits such as the physical exercise, improving discipline, interaction with others, and creating a tendency of unity, becoming more social and reduce the stress. Question number 5. Give examples of each. A. Hobbies to reduce stress, that is to listen to music, bird watching, nature trails, and reading good books. This is endangering the social health. AIDS, tuberculosis, and leprosy. C. Physical problems arising due to excessive use of mobile is headache, vision problems, joint pains. D. Activities under the jurisdiction in cybercrime laws through the bank transaction by the procuring PIN number of somebody, misuse of the written material of someone, or the illegal sale of same, hacking the information of government institute and companies. Question number 6. What will you do? Why? A. You are spending more time in internet, mobile games, and phone. Answer. In life, the time once spent never return back. We therefore must use our time for studies, exercise, or outdoor games and some entertainment. In the free time, we must also help our parents in household work. But if we are spending hours together on surfing the net without any perfect aim, or playing the computer or cell phone games, it is total waste of time. There are many the inappropriate sites on the internet which should not be watched. This causes stress. Continuous use of mobile phone is being hooked to the social media slowly becomes an addiction. If these bad habits can creeping in us, we must try to leave the habits of by conscious change. Question number B. Child of your neighbor is addicted to the tobacco chewing. Okay, the hazards of the tobacco chewing will be explained to this child. Different photographs and videos showing the conditions of the oral cancer will shown to the child to persuade him so that he can stay away from the tobacco. This addiction has to be removed, so help of this parent will be taken. They will be told about the child's habitat and asked to help him free from his addiction. Question number C. Your sister has become communicative. She prefers to remain alone. The individual who prefers the incommunicative has lots of thoughts in her mind. If this is in case with sister, she will be taken into confidence and the reason behind this lack of communication will be found out. Most often such a persons have depression, so she will not be left alone. Her friends will be invited at home so that she can converse with them. She should be motivated to mix with her favorite people. She should be encouraged to pursue her hobbies. She should be help in selecting such a work. If nothing changes her, then the help of the counselor should be taken. You have to use a free space around your home for a good purpose. Answer: the free space around your home can be used to make a small garden. The garden soil can be bought and spread in this free space. Small saplings can be planted here and nurture for further growth. Nursery is the saplings can also be started in this free space. The space can also be used for outdoor games. The net or for badminton can be fixed and evening times can be spent in playing the game. Also, care will be taken to keep the space clean and without any garbage. E. Your mate has developed the hobby of snapping selfies. Answer: the habitat of continue taking selfies is bad. It shows that friend is constantly thinking of himself only. His self-centeredness is to be removed by counseling him. The reason behind the behavior should also be understood. He should be diverted and motivated to take some other task of his habitat can be lessened. Taking selfies is not a hobby. It is a bad habit if someone is repeatedly engaged in it. Your brother studying in the 12th has developed a stress. Answer: the syllabus for the class 12th is vast. If the studies are not taken seriously from the beginning of the academic year, then the stress develops due to the fear of examination and result. Therefore, instead of being stressed, he should practice time management and study schedule. He should think of only one subject at a time. The atmosphere in the house should be maintained happy and tension free. Everybody in the house should be interact with him so that gets feeling that he is not alone. He should be convinced study is for you, you are not for study. Question number 7. What type of the changes occur in the home having a chronically ill old person? How will you help to maintain a good atmosphere? Answer: if there is a chronically ill old person in the house, the entire atmosphere of the house changes. There is a tension and the grief in the house. Doctors' visits to the house become a routine. The ill person diets and medicines are strictly followed. In such a times, everybody in the family should contribute to the work of the talking care of the patient. We can help in the bringing medicines. We can sit beside the patient during the night time. We should maintain a pleasant atmosphere in the house. We should help the person who is burdened by the duties towards the sick patient by helping in whatever little ways that we can. ओके, थँक्यू स्टुडंट. पुन्हा भेटूया आपण आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग.